Welcome to Decor Studio, where we bring cinema style to your living space. Today we are exploring the stunning aesthetics of the Belmont Lodge as seen in Falling for Christmas. Get ready to transform your home into a winter wonderland filled with modern luxury and the timeless elegance of crystal and gold accents. The Lodge aesthetic. This style blends rustic charm with high-end sophistication to create a cozy yet grand atmosphere. Think of heavy wood beams paired with delicate surfaces that reflect light beautifully. It is all about creating a sanctuary that feels both grounded in nature and incredibly opulent for the holiday season. Focus on textures like faux fur and velvet to contrast with the hard shimmer of metallic finishes. Using a neutral palette of cream and taupe allows the gold elements to truly pop without overwhelming the room. This balance ensures your home feels like a mountain retreat while maintaining a sharp modern edge. Crystal centerpieces. Nothing says luxury like the refractive beauty of high-quality crystal scattered throughout your dining and living areas. Large crystal bowls or tiered stands serve as magnificent focal points that catch the evening light. These pieces add a layer of transparency and lightness that balances out heavier winter furniture. Consider placing crystal candle holders on your mantel to create a dancing light effect across the walls. When combined with warm white bulbs or real flames, the crystal creates a magical glow reminiscent of falling snow. It is a simple way to elevate a standard table setting into something worthy of a royal lodge. Mixing different cuts of crystal can add visual interest and depth to your displays. From sharp geometric shapes to classic rounded carafes, the variety creates a curated look rather than a matched set. This approach feels more personal and authentic to the layered design seen in the Belmont Lodge-inspired interiors. Golden accents. Gold is the ultimate holiday hue that brings warmth and a sense of prestige to any room it inhabits. Whether it is brushed brass or shiny 24-karat leaf gold provides a sun-kissed contrast to the cold winter landscape outside. Use it on picture frames, lamp bases, and even small decorative figurines. Integrating gold into your holiday tree ornaments creates a cohesive theme that ties the entire room together. Instead of traditional bright colors, stick to a monochrome gold palette for a more sophisticated and mature look. This subtle shift makes your decorations feel like a permanent part of your high-end interior design. Do not be afraid to mix gold with other metals like silver or bronze for a contemporary twist. This mixed metal approach is very popular in modern luxury homes as it prevents the space from looking too staged. It adds a lived-in luxury feel that is both welcoming and impressively stylish for your guests. Velvet and silk. To achieve that Belmont Lodge comfort, you must incorporate rich fabrics that invite you to sit and stay. Velvet throw pillows in deep forest green or midnight blue provide a lush backdrop for gold embroidery. Silk curtains can frame your windows and catch the light with a soft shimmer. These textiles provide a tactile experience that complements the visual sparkle of your crystal and gold decor. Softness is key when you are trying to replicate a lodge environment where relaxation is the priority. Layering these fabrics creates a sense of abundance and wealth that is characteristic of premium resort living. Choose fabrics with a heavy weight so they drape beautifully and hold their shape over time. High-quality silk and velvet are investments that stay looking beautiful for many holiday seasons to come. They serve as the soft foundation upon which all your shimmering holiday accents can truly shine and stand out. Grand entrances. First impressions are everything, and your entryway should set the tone for the rest of your luxury home. A large gold-framed mirror or a crystal chandelier in the foyer immediately signals a high-end experience. It prepares your visitors for the elegance they will find in the main living areas. Use evergreen garlands draped with gold ribbons and crystal bontebells to line your staircase or door frame. This combines the traditional lodge look with the modern luxury elements we are focusing on today. It creates a seamless transition from the natural world outside to the refined interior of your holiday home. Lighting in the entrance should be warm and inviting to create an immediate sense of holiday cheer. Small gold lanterns lining the path or porch can provide a guided walkway that looks stunning at night. It is these small details that make a home feel like a professionally designed lodge from a movie. Warm lighting. The secret to a cozy lodge atmosphere is a carefully planned lighting scheme that avoids harsh overhead glares. Use floor lamps and table lamps with gold-lined shades to reflect a warm amber glow. This mimics the soft light of a fireplace and makes every crystal accent sparkle. Layer your lighting by using different heights and intensities to create pockets of interest around the room. String lights with a warm white tone can be woven through gold decor for an ethereal effect. This approach ensures that your home feels intimate even if the rooms are large and high-ceilinged. Dimmers are a great tool to control the mood as the evening progresses from dinner to late-night relaxation. Lowering the lights allows the golden highlights in your decor to take center stage against the shadows. It creates a romantic and peaceful environment that is perfect for the Christmas season at home. Rustic Elements. Balancing the gold and crystal with raw materials like reclaimed wood and stone is essential for the lodge look. A heavy wooden coffee table provides a sturdy base for your delicate crystal trays and gold bowls. This juxtaposition between the rough and the refined defines the Belmont style perfectly. Natural pine cones or birch logs can be lightly touched with gold spray paint to bridge the two styles. Placing these items in a crystal vase creates a beautiful centerpiece that feels both organic and expensive. It brings the beauty of the winter forest indoors in a very sophisticated and curated way. Exposed stone fireplaces or brick walls provide a textured backdrop that makes metallic accents appear even brighter. If you do not have these features, you can use textured wallpapers that mimic these natural materials. The goal is to provide a sense of history and permanence to your holiday decorations. The final touch. Complete your transformation by focusing on the scent and sound of your luxury lodge environment. Scented candles with notes of cedar and sandalwood housed in gold glass jars add the final sensory layer. Soft instrumental holiday music playing in the background completes the immersive movie-inspired experience. Take a moment to step back and ensure the balance of crystal and gold feels harmonious throughout your space. It is better to have a few high-quality pieces than a cluttered room full of cheap imitations. Quality is the hallmark of modern luxury, and it will make your home feel truly special. Thank you for joining us at Decor Studio to explore the Belmont Lodge style. We hope these tips help you create a holiday home that is both cozy and incredibly opulent. Please like this video if you found it inspiring, comment your favorite tip, share it with friends, and subscribe for more.